Hey guys, Patrick Donovan, HAAF Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here with Sarah Magaro from DR Horton. She's gonna walk us through a Galen plan. Super excited, let's go check it out. Well, here's the front of the home. As you can see, 2-car garage in the front. Of course, you can QR code it if you want to see the whole thing, or just give me a call. Hey, Sarah, what's up? How you doing?
We got the nice covered porch here on
Yeah.
the Galen model, so
Great.
For a little front porch sitting, especially if you're going to be overlooking that lake there.
I mean,
Eventually this one will be for sale.
yeah, no
Years,
doubt.
Right?
Couple years.
Step into the Galen plan. So the Galen is 2,340 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and like I said, 2-car garage here. So love this space here. This is a nice flex space. Make it, more of a dining room or like an office setup, or in this case, a nice entertaining poker
I mean,
area.
she's giving me ideas. I mean, I'm just saying, like, that's awesome. Like, let's throw a poker table in there. That's what I'm talking about.
I know, right?
Love that. And then you got this space right here to throw your keys down.
Yes, nice wide open entry here. This is into the 2-car garage entry point.
Okay.
You got your power room here on the first floor.
Okay.
It's great to have.
If you really want to see the garages and not in the videos, just let me know. I'll bring out you. And then Sarah can walk you through the garages personally herself.
Absolutely, I'd be happy to. And then you could probably have guessed it, but we've got storage. Storage closet here.
Yeah. I love that. It's a big space. You can fit all kinds of stuff in there. Instead of clogging up your garage with decorations, put them right there.
Yeah, absolutely. Keep it climate controlled there.
Yeah.
So the Galen has an amazing open concept here on the first
Right,
floor.
right.
So you have your nice big entertaining island here, breakfast bar, do feature the quartz countertops and that black hardware here. Nice big walk-in pantry as well. Lots of storage in there, which is great to have. Never have enough.
That's nice.
Yes.
Love it.
Again,
Okay.
it's great coming right off of the open dining area here. You do have your patio set up. So again, set up your patio furniture. Have a nice place to sit.
Yeah.
And then
What is that? Like a, say, 5-foot pad? What is that?
8 by 10.
8 by 10. Man.
Yeah, it's about 8 by 10. If I were to put 2 of me this way, it'd be about 10 feet. That's how I measure it.
All right.
Girl math or something.
So you're 5 foot tall is what I'm learning. Okay, I got it.
A little bit taller than Dave.
There we go. Yeah.
But yeah, you've got this really nice entertaining space. So you can, again, really make this spot your own.
What I love about this plan, and I think a lot of times people can't envision it, you know what I'm saying? Because it's just a wide open space typically. And then when you look at it, it stays like this. Like, okay, I understand now.
Right?
So when you get this, when you're looking from the kitchen, of course you got the cool bar stools right there. I mean, you're washing dishes, watching TV probably over there, yelling at the kids, stop jumping on the couch.
You can keep an eye on it
Yeah,
this way, right?
easy.
Right? Absolutely.
Easy here. All right, let's go upstairs.
Probably have a kid jumping on the couch there.
And there's Sarah meeting us up here.
Yes. You got this big old open hallway area.
Love
which
it.
I think is great.
Yeah.
So let's start with the primary here, since that's what the people want to see.
The people want to see the primary. All right.
It is.
Wow.
Beautiful, right?
Look at the size of this thing.
And then you got a nice big open closet there.
I mean, like, this is enough to make me convinced to buy one of these.
I know, well, especially this one. Just hold it out for a couple more here. Check out that lake view from the second floor here. Isn't that nice?
Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. This thing is great. Wow. I mean, you could do gymnastics in here.
Right.
Almost. Like, look at all this space over here.
So much
Like, just
room.
empty room over here.
All the activities.
All the activities. Wow. Let's check out this bathroom. I think, Sarah, you
Yes,
love this bathroom, right?
Love this bathroom. And you check out the double vanity here. Got your matte black hardware. Got your walk-in shower. Again, nice big linen closet here. Same concept. You could absolutely have that turned in for a tub. Got some additional open storage here, and then into the water closet, which I think is great. If you have a significant other, having that degree of separation, it's nice and noisy. Sure.
Are you sure that's enough, though? That's the question. I guess it depends.
I mean,
It really depends on the person you're with.
the good do have, we're gonna check out these second full bath there down the hall, so you have the backup.
You know, the good thing is with my wife, she didn't have to worry about that because my stuff doesn't smell bad. So.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's right. I forgot. I
forgot.
forgot.
It smells really good. Kind of like potpourri. A hint of rose, maybe jasmine. All right, here's another room right here. Oh man, okay.
So, yeah, you guys
This is still a good sized room. I mean, they have a whole bird nest thing in here. I mean, like,
It's a fun little chair.
no, I love that chair, man. It's got all kinds of ideas going on. I just don't have enough room for all these ideas. Yeah, this is cool.
I know. It looks like you want to sit in that chair.
I want to sit in the
Do you want me
chair.
to grab the camera?
No. We'll come back for that. We'll come back for that. Right.
This one's very nicely staged here, more of a kid-style
Look at that.
bedroom setup.
Look at that guy.
I mean, boy, if I had.
Look at that guy.
And sometimes we have uninvited guests.
Smash that
You
guy.
know.
Oh, what? Like this camping, like,
Isn't that sweet?
what is happening right
This
now?
little kind of woodland camping theme here.
Did she put this thing together?
I think she
I
did.
bet she
yeah.
did. Like, this is, the stager is incredible for DR Horton. Oh my God. Like, she uses every square foot of this home to its most advantage. Look at this one. Like this one too.
So probably more of like the teenager room here.
What would you say in terms of popularity this Galen is?
Galen's pretty popular.
Pretty popular?
It's a close second to the Ruby, for sure.
Oh, really? Okay, so Roby's number one?
It's hard to say.
Yeah.
It's hard to say across the board. I'd have to check out what those stats are looking like division wide. But it's definitely a popular plan.
Yeah,
I
this
think
is great.
Between the open concept, you know, the room on the first floor, people love this nice wide entry. You know, as you come up the steps.
The laundry room's upstairs, so you don't have to worry about
Yep.
throwing your clothes downstairs.
Yep, and everybody's on the second floor together then.
Yeah.
So I know, you know, pros and cons preferences for everyone. So some people really like to have that.
You know what happens to my laundry? It stays in the basket downstairs.
Oh, I
And
thought,
everybody walks past it like 100 times, and then it never gets folded.
right? I thought you were gonna say my socks get eaten by the dryer.
Well,
Mine
that
do
as
too.
well,
Mine
yeah.
do too.
Of course that happens. All right, well, let's go out to the back.
Yes.
We're leaving the living room, kitchen area, going outside to this area right here. Now, you know, when you buy one of these homes, you don't know what kind of lot you're going to get, but this is pretty indicative of the lot you are going to get. It's not like it's going to be drastically different. Well, yeah, here's the back of the home. So that's the Galen plan from DR Horton. If you have any questions about this home or any home DR Horton has, give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.